CabinTalk is an available in-car PA system that makes it very easy to communicate with rear seat passengers. Touch the CabinTalk app on the display audio home screen to mute the audio so you can talk to rear seat passengers through their headphones. And because the Elite trim has third-row speakers, CabinTalk will also play through them.
Anybody hungry back there? Okay, we're stopping in about 5 minutes.
If rear seat passengers are watching a video, CabinTalk will pause the sound and video from the Blu-ray player and some built-in streaming apps. It will not pause the video if the source is external, like a connected HDMI device or flash drive, but it will mute the audio. And conveniently, there's a CabinTalk app on the touchscreen when Cabin Watch is activated, so you can quickly activate the CabinTalk feature. To turn CabinTalk off, just tap the home or back buttons.